Amigos y amigas, my name is Jonathan Echavarria. I am the on-premise multicultural account specialist for Fedway Associates. Today I'm here at the laboratory at our headquarters in Basking Ridge, and we're going to be making a Tio Rogelio cocktail using Bulleit Bourbon. So what you're going to need for the Tio Rogelio cocktail is grenadine, lemon juice, cola, and of course Bulleit Bourbon. So we're going to start with ½ ounce of lemon juice, another ½ ounce of grenadine, and lastly, we're going to pour 2 ounces of our Bulleit Bourbon. And we're all set, ready to shake. And then we have our glass. And then strain our cocktail. And top it off with some cola. Lastly, we'll garnish with a lemon wheel. And there you have it, your Tio Rogelio.